She thought he was a dog and raised him, but when he grew up, it turned out he wasn't a dog at all. A woman in southwest China was shocked to find out the dog she has been raising for 2 years was an endangered black bear. Ms. Su bought a black puppy, thought to be a Tibetan Mastiff, during a vacation 2 years ago until she found out the pooch turned out to be a 440-pound bear. She decided to send her pet bear to a wildlife rescue center to receive better care. Ms. Su told China News that she noticed her puppy, which she named as Little Black, grew up to be a bear after 2 years. It can eat a full box of fruits and 2 buckets of noodles a day, said Ms. Su. Ms. Su, from Yunnan province, noticed it was illegal to raise or keep wildlife animals and decided to seek help from a local zoo. She asked Kunming Zoo for help, however she failed to present a birth certificate of the bear to the zoo. On May 9, Ms. Su contacted Kunming Forestry Police and they suggested to send the bear to Yunnan Wildlife Rescue Center. Footage uploaded on Pair Video shows the 1-meter-tall bear walking in a small cage as Forestry Police takes it to the zoo. The endangered bear weighs about 200 kilograms, 440 pounds, according to Ms. Su. It had no wounds and scars found on the body. A preliminary checkup report also showed the bear is in good health. The animals was confirmed to be an Asiatic black bear, which is a protected animals in China. It's also an endangered animal species widely traded by illegal smugglers in Asia for their body parts.